Stop designing in the dark ages today. We are turning the lights off to make the sick cyberpunk neon effect. If you want your UI to glow like a Tokyo street sign, pay attention, let's go. First rule of neon, you can't see light on a white background. Change your frame color to pitch black. Now, draw your square. Here is the trick, remove the fill. We don't want a box, we want a light tube. Add a stroke and make it thick, at least 4 or 5 pixels. Solid colors are boring. Click the color box and switch it to linear. Pick 2 bright colors. I'm using cyan and hot pink. Look at that blend. It's already looking tasty. Now to make it actually light up. Go to Effects and pick Drop Shadow. Set X and Y to 0 so the glow is centered. Set the blur to 20. Change the shadow color to match your stroke. Boom, the light is on. Want more power? Add a second drop shadow. Keep X and Y at 0, but crank the blur up to 60. Now it has that atmospheric glow. You just made a neon sign in 60 seconds. Subscribe to Pith Pixel for more glow-ups. Bye.